We're going to talk about the optical comparator today. We're going to go over the parts of the optical comparator, show you what the different features are, and then we'll be showing you how to calculate out radiuses, how to calculate out distances and angles by using this machine. Davey's going to do a demonstration for us today on how it works. The first thing we need to do is identify where the power button is. The power button is right there. It's the red switch. So when Davey turns the power button on or off, it's going to turn the machine on. Was on. So now the machine is powered up. We have the control box over here to the left. Now there's some different features that we can use on here. There's two different buttons beside the power one. One says surface and one says profile. If Davey turns on the surface button, it actually turns on those two bright lights there. And we can do surface inspections of an object by moving those out. You want to show them how those come out, Davey? By unscrewing the two screws at the top. You can unscrew that and you can actually move those lights out to wherever you need it to go so that it lines up with your part. They're bendable, they will move up and down, so wherever you need to move it, we can use the surface. And then when we get it in position, we clamp it back down. So if he turns the surface light out and turns on the profile light, now you can see our screen up here became green. And this is what we're going to be using today to identify the radiuses. And you'll be able to see a black outline of the part on that screen. Down here where our part gets clamped in, we have a vise. You'll clamp your part in the vise. And then there's also some hand wheels on here. The hand wheel on the far left actually moves the table left and right. So if you want to show them how to move the table left and right, Davey, you crank that and it will make the table go left and right. The hand wheel that is down here at the bottom, if you crank that, it'll make the table go up and down. Now it moves very, very small increments. Because when we do this, it's going to magnify the part and we want to be able to move small distances. There's also a lever right back in here underneath or behind the vise. If you flip that lever up and you move it, now we can move the table freely. If you just push the table back and forth, the table will slide so you can move far distances fast. Once you get it where you want, you'll lock it back into place. The last handle is the focus handle. The focus handle right here moves the table in and out, and that's what we will use to focus our part. We have a control box over here. The control box is what we're going to use to figure out where the radiuses are, how big they are, what distances are. So those are the basic parts of the optical comparator and how the machine works.